I'm going to give my desk a new look. I've sprayed this chest of drawers a while ago and I've got some leftover paint, so I'm going to use that to just do some other bits and pieces. I've got some old tin cans that I'm going to use for pen pots and an old box file that's a bit plain and boring. Because it's bare wood, I'm going to prime it just so I don't use as much of the colour. These little cans are really good for paper clips and staplers and things like that. I'm not going to bother priming them because it doesn't need it. I'm just going to use my leftover paint. I've shaken it well for a minute like it says to on the back of the tin, so I'm ready to start. I've done the orange one. I'm going to paint this one pink burst to match the drawers. These are all finished and dry now. A really quick and inexpensive way to add a bit of colour to your desk. It's also a great idea for a children's study area so they can get involved and choose their colour. So really quick and easy make.